Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny Foodybite App. Inside today I need to develop this here the change password screens you need to develop here. First of all, you need to see this designs inside the XD files. Now need to open here. Need to create like this UI. Need to developing here. Similar to show here. Now first of all, you need to create here the screens inside the profile folders. Need to create here the new files, and we need to give this here the name change password screen dot dots like create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name as a change password screen, and we need to import this here the material dependency. Now we need to set here the scaffold, need to set here the app bar, set here the titles, text. We need to set this here the change password, and we need to set this here the style text styles, set here the color D color, primary text, font size. We need to set here the 16, font weight. We need to set here the font weight 600. I need to set here and we need to fix this here the type of change passwords. Like we need to write down here the change passwords, save here, and first of all we need to configure the screens inside the settings screen. Need to go and we need to call this here the context dot push extension methods. If you not see here the second video, first of all we need to see this here the second video and explain in details how to create this build context inside the push extension methods. We need to how to develop, we need to explain in detail. Now context dot change passwords, we need to set here the screen like here's. Now need to save and to open this here's. Maybe not given this here the click events. We need to first of all the set here the click event for this UI. We need to configure this here's wrap with widgets and to call this here the inkwell, and on tab event you need to call this here the on press buttons. Need to save here. Now click and open this here the screens. Again, we need to go inside the settings screens and we need to copy this here the leading buttons. We need to copy here and to paste inside here the app bars and show like this here the change passwords, and also need to create here the action buttons. We need to develop here. Set here the text buttons on press event. Set here the cancels. We need to call this here the context dot pop extensions. We need to call this here and close the screens. For the close, set here. So I need to write down here the text cancel. Set here the style text styles. Set here the color T color, placeholder colors, and then set it to save here and look like the sets change password. Show like here's the cancels. Now we need to create here the scaffold body. Need to develop here and create here the column like here's. And first of all, we need to develop here the update buttons. We need to call here. So we need to create here the round button and on press event like here's and set here the text update and create like these buttons, and we need to make sure. So we need to set here the padding all 20 and show like this here the buttons. We need to creating sears and we need to set this here the space, and we need to set here the bottoms for this button like here's. Now this is buttons are the creating done. Now need to common widgets inside. We need to go and white text fields we need to convert into the dark themes for. So need to making here. Now need to light themes we need to making here. So need to create here the new files and to give this here the round text field dot like here. So need to copy this here this line of code, need to paste here and to change this here the name round text fields. Like we need to set here and we need to set here the final bool, and we need to set here the op secure text, set here this flag, and we need to pass this here the op secure, and also need to pass this here op secure. By default need to set this here the false. Optional, create here's, import this here's, add these parameters, set here the false. Remove here's this required fields and set this here like this value. Now we need to change this here the colors. We need to set here the background colors as a white colors. We need to configure. Then after we need to set here the borders, set here color, t color placeholder colors, and we need to set here the width as a 0.5. Like we need to configure here this UI. Inside text we need to set this here the placeholder colors. We need to set here and like here's, and icons already set. Now save. Go this text fields, round text fields use inside the change password screen, and we need to write down here field that here in text current password, so like here's we need to fix this here's UI. Create here the icons. We need to go inside here the logins, and we need to set here's password icons. Look like this here the change password we need to show here's, and this text fields maybe decrease this here the padding, set here 15. Look like this here the show. Again so need to go here and need to create here the another two text fields. We need to develop here, need to give this here the some height space, set here the 15 like here's, and const value, copy, paste this here, set like this here, set here the new password, and set here the confirm password, and look like this here the creating here the passwords, and we need to set here the op secure, set here the true every place, save here, and we need to making like this here the UI, and this change password UI are the done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, please write down the comment section, so I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.